بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا.
Surah An-Nasr, the help. This surah is Madani and comprises 3 ayat, verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. O Prophet, when there comes Allah's help and the victory, and you see people entering Allah's approved religion in multitudes, then pronounce the purity and praise of your Lord and seek forgiveness from Him. Surely He is ever relenting. According to most exegetes, this surah was revealed shortly before the victory of Mecca. It bears the happy news that Mecca is going to be conquered, and then the tribes of Arabia would embrace Islam in multitudes. Since the mission of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was to complete on these events, he was directed to make tasbih, pronouncement of Allah's purity, hamd, pronouncing Allah's praise and offering gratitude to Him, and istighfar, seeking forgiveness from Allah. This surah had an indication that the time of demise of the Holy Prophet ﷺ had got near. According to Sayyidina Aisha radiallahu anha, the Holy Prophet ﷺ used to say, Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika, Allahumma ighfirli. Pure are you, O Allah, and I pronounce your praise. O Allah, forgive me. In his ruku, bowing, and sujood, prostration, after the revelation of this surah. This surah educates every Muslim that on every accomplishment he should turn to Allah by pronouncing tasbih, hamd, and istighfar.